Yo, good morning. It's your boy, the Option Menace. Let's go, tribe. All right. Today I'm just, you know, trying to figure out what I'm really gonna be focusing on. I really don't see a ton of setups right now. I have Walmart. I have it on a 4 hour 3-1 bar break. And I also have a 2-1-2 potential 2-1-2, but I definitely have a 1 bar um, on the daily. So we're going to be watching Walmart seriously. Besides that, I did have a bunch of other plays, but everything seems to be gapping, or not gapping. The word gapping is off, but just moving past our triggers early in the pre-market. So if they continue, I don't even want to be distracted by them. If they open up outside our areas, I don't trade them, because to me that invalidates my technical analysis for the day. So what I'm trying to say is, right now with Tesla, I had I love trading Tesla because it really moves when it gets going. 3-1 on the 4 hour and a 1 bar on the daily. So I was looking at it, but look, pre-market, it's below our um, daily entry and below our 3-1 break, breaking a 3, which is not an entry for me. So if it was here at the 1 bar on the 4 hour, then I'm waiting for this to break 235.56. Oh no, 235.39. It closed yesterday at 235.56. So if it opens 235.56 or above and then comes down through my trigger of 235.39, then my first price target would be the the bottom wick of the 3 bar, which is the daily entry. So I can just put in my stop loss there, my profit take stop loss there, and if it was to push up above it, take my winnings, or and if it keeps going, just move my profit stop loss, and look for this daily price target, the first one at least. That would have been dope. But right now, look where it is. It's below everything, and it's invalidated. I don't personally like trading them, because when it goes against you, you have no one to blame but yourself. I mean, you should have been patient and waited, for here. So right now, Tesla is not on for me today. Right now, I only have one name. Talked to Juice last night, and he posted some stuff. This guy, man, he's amazing. He's finding PMGs, um, pivot machine gun plays. Everybody who trades the Strat knows what that is. It's the thing I have an issue with, which I have to review with him, is and I'm also going to reach out to other fellow Stratters and see how they manage it, because it's on um a weekly time frame on Apple, um and I'm not enjoying that. Like, I could trade it. My question is, how do you gauge, what do you go down to a lower time frame and you move accordingly? So here it is right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles up. From my understanding, from what I've read in my studies of the strat, I would like 5 or more. But this is going into a supply zone with this continuation, so it's due for a correction. So the trade could be a continuation of break of this 2 bar down to here, which is the first price target. Let me see what's going on the 4 hour. The 4 hour actually looks like we have a setup. We have a 1 bar. I didn't even see that on Apple, actually. So actually, Apple right now, this guy, man, this guy Juice, Apple right now is going to be added to my watch list, which is dope. Damn, didn't even see that. So right now I'm just doing it real quick. You know, we don't have full time frame continuity right now, But if it was to open up here and push down, we do. So let's see what happens. And then you got the pivot machine gun that he alerted me to last night, and we're just seeing where it goes. Nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is it has to happen. But right now with this trade, if price was to open on Apple 4 hour, I'm looking for it to break. I'm looking for it to break this one bar, and I'm gonna take. I gotta put my risk management in there. It's the first thing I would actually like to talk about that first than anything. But anyway, so I have Apple set up right now. So you just saw me chart it. This is the weekly pivot machine gun. What's on the daily? I checked it earlier. I didn't see anything. So I actually have a hammer candle. So if it invalidates the hammer, it might push down too. So this is an actionable signal on the strat. Stratters know what I mean by that. So let's see where this goes. So it's looking like it's going to invalidate it right now. Go through that trigger, the 4 hour trigger, and if it breaks below this, sheesh, the first price target would be on a daily. If it was to break the low of this hammer candle, it would be 186.35. But on our 4 hour, our entry to the downside would be roughly 188.50 for puts. Our first price target is 187.47. After that, we earned the right to take our profits. We could put a profit stop loss. All right. Our risk management, though, where we're stopping out, is 50% of this one bar candle, which is 189.09. We're out of the play at that point. There's no hoping, no wishing. Get out. There's always another trade. All right. It's systematic. Juice right now. We're big on here in the tribe. We're big on the journey. My journey in life is I do what I do in healthcare. Don't want to put that out. For those who know me, know I'm in healthcare, and I transitioned to being a day trader, options day trader, and now I'm a father of a 2-month-old. So everything I be in perspective, the risk management. This little girl, she relies on me and her mother. Yes, we have tons of family, and I'm so fortunate, and I have tons of friends too that I love. My man Riga, my man O, Benny. I have some really great friends. C's, I just had my guy C's just come visit me this past weekend. It was dope. But I'm trying to change the course of the trajectory for my daughter's life and also my life. So the market is the way to financial independence. It's great work, and I love my job, but the freedom, the thing we can't get back is time. So right now, this is the way it is. It's 6:24 in the morning. I'm gonna quickly go through my quick list real quick. So I have two names. I found Walmart on my own, and got alerted to in the tribe Apple on a weekly PMG play, pivot machine gun play. So this could go down crazy. So let's see. But for right now, my entry for today's day trade on Apple is I'm actually not even looking for it to come up. But can't have bias. I just don't think I'm gonna have full time frame continuity here if this continues. So I would like to have the hourly. You know, so I have the hourly and the 4 hour, and everything is not making sense. But look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there we go. Pivot machine gun. Actually, you know, I was alerted to this by my man, and he's telling me like, look, this thing, there's pivot machine guns everywhere. I was not my man, by Juice, and look at this. I just checked the 1 hour. I'm being surprised right now. This looks like, as some people would say, a a bear flag. You know, this is dope. Let's see where this goes today. Let's see. Nothing's guaranteed, but woo, this is sexy. All right. Damn. Shit, man. This guy never faces, this never ceases to amaze me. My man Jay also too. Um, one of the funnest guys to watch technical analysis. He's been missing in action in in life, at work, my physical job, and at trading. I can't wait till he gets back on track. You know, my man is he's always got something going on. But all right, so right now, so we can get out of here, man. I'm sorry for talking so much. Here we go. So on Apple, we got pivot machine guns everywhere on Apple. But I'm looking for my day trade, my entry to the downside to short it or to take puts is 188.50, and my first price target is 187.47. Okay. My stop out, my risk management is 189.09. You know, once it gets past, if I entered here, once it gets past this, I'm out. That's 50% of this candle. You could hold on to the 189.68 and get out. You know, that's how they teach you, you know, to do this strat. Um, you know, it's tough because, you know, you entered and it starts going your way and then it comes back, and then, you know, me personally, just get out of the trade. You know, this is much better than this. And then if you wait for this and it still keeps going up, all you're gonna tell yourself is shoulda, woulda, coulda, get out of here. I could have got out at 189.09, but I waited for, you know, 189.64, which is almost, you know, a dollar later. It's, you know, 50 cents later pretty much, and you lost a ton of money when you could have got out at the 50% of this this 1 bar candle. But that's the trade right now on Apple, with in the back of my mind seeing multiple, a weekly machine gun, pivot machine gun, a PMG, and a daily. So this thing is like red star right now. Like, I have eyeballs on this like crazy. So Apple is the play right now. So I'm actually gonna just do a little bit more quick little things to make sure I'm on top of this, man. Um, you know, this is how I do it, man. Quick and simple. Freaking gotta love TradingView. Gotta love it. It's nice and simple. I mean, there's a lot of platforms you could do your technical analysis, but this just makes my life simple. Oh man, you know, can't thank Juice enough for putting me on to TradingView. Um, okay, so there we go. There's my entry. I'm gonna put an alert up because I'm headed to the gym. I want to know if this thing is down. You know, I want to know if it's doing what it's supposed to. Um, all right, there goes Apple set up, and let's go to Walmart. See, Walmart is an interesting one too. On the on a weekly, there's a 1 bar. That's incredible. Didn't even see that before. But I trade the one. I trade the daily and the 4 hour. So right now on the daily, we got, you know, to the upside. You know, we have full time frame continuity right now. Um, well, actually, we don't. On a 1 hour, I thought it was all full time frame continuity to the upside. So which is interesting. So the 4 hour is down, the daily is up, the weekly is up, the monthly is down, the quarterly is down. So you're just getting a bunch of crap right here. But I do have a 1 bar. I have a daily and no, sorry. I have a 4 hour 1 bar. I have a daily 1 bar. So let's just see where it goes today. Let's see where it goes. So I'm just gonna just some alerts down. You know, an alert up. And of course, risk management is the name of the game. So that's 50% of that 1 bar, and that's where I'm gonna get out if this thing goes against me. All right, so you have an earlier entry. Interesting. You have a 4 hour entry, which is a 3-1 play on Apple on a 4 hour. And your risk management is looking for a weird color, so I know I'm doing a 4 hour 4 hour risk management on there. All right, so on the 4 hour, which will give you not better, but yeah, I mean earlier entry is to the downside would be 154.22 for puts. First price target being the 3 bar, the bottom of that 3 bar, which is 153.31. So that's a nice drop, almost $1 on Apple. So that's on a 4 hour, and the risk management that our stop would be 154.53, and if you're going long on the 4 hour, 154.82 is our entry. Also, our risk management would be 154.53 to stop out if you're going long, which is perfect. This is why I like the strat. It's clear and simple for you. And our first price target would be the top of the wick of the 3 bar, which is 154.93, which is the entry of going longs on the daily. So you possibly could get this would be, if that was to break the 3 bar, you would get a 2-1-2 reversal. So you have a 2 bar down. You have a 1 bar consolidation. Price is fighting. Buyers and sellers are fighting in here. All right. And this is like a freaking spring, So if this thing was to break this, it becomes a green 2 bar. And our first price target would be 155.61 on the daily. Interesting. So let's see how it goes. Those are the two names, Apple and Walmart. Taking off Tesla for right now, and not looking at them. That's what I'm looking at, these two. All right. Thank you for listening and watching. I'm sorry, a little bit of a longer video than I wanted. I'm about to go hit the gym. Guys, enjoy your day. The Menace is out.